Hello everyone, I'm Alex Neil. I'm the university's Vice President for Education, which means I'm the university's lead person on your academic experience. And I can't tell you how excited we are about the prospect of you joining us to start that experience very soon now.
Hello, I'm Diana Eccles, Dean of the Faculty of Medicine. Deans are responsible for all of the education, innovation and research that goes on in our faculties, and we are members of the University Executive Board helping to deliver the strategy and vision for our university. As part of that, I have a role as chair of the Athena Swan Committee, and that's one of my university-wide roles. I can be contacted at any time through my executive assistant on email deanmed@sutton.ac.uk. Welcome to Southampton.
So when you come to university, there's many different types of learning experience. The main ones that you come across are lectures. With lectures, it's a much larger crowd and a lecturer will come to speak to you about a certain topic. It's not very interactive, and the main goal of this is to learn more about that certain topic and to take lots of notes on it. With university work, a lot of it is independent. So work will be given to you on Blackboard, which you'll come across. You'll have to find that work for yourself and learn it to understand it. The lecturers are there to help you, but the responsibility is mainly given to you. And the main case of this responsibility is with seminars. So seminars are with a much smaller group, and you'll be given this work preset by your lecturers, and you'll have to read it, understand it, and then take it to these seminars to talk about it with your peers.
The one piece of advice that I would offer is to go to lectures, like regularly attend lectures and pay attention. Showing up to lectures means that, you've taken advantage of like this allocated time for like learning, and this kind of reduces the pressure and anxiety when it comes to like self-study and revision later down the line, like, closer on towards like exams, or when you get a piece of coursework through, you look at it, you look at the topic, you look at the questions, and you're like, okay, I have some idea of what's going on here. You have this dedicated time for learning given to you. Take advantage of it. The most important thing to remember is that without your studies, there are no extracurriculars. Your degree comes first. The only way that you can take advantage of things here is if you are here.
Welcome to the University of Southampton Library. The thing to remember is that the library is far more than just books. Our friendly and supportive staff are here for you in several ways. Across the library, we work to ensure that you have the necessary resources to complete your studies. If you have any questions, we are ready to help you via email or web chat. You can also book an online appointment for support with the study skills and academic writing. We have thousands of online resources, such as electronic books, electronic journals, databases, and audio and video resources. This academic content will support you in all your studies and research. Good luck with your studies. We hope you enjoyed your time at the University of Southampton, and remember, the library is here to help.
Factor in some work time when you're on campus, if that necessarily means going to the library or going to a cafe, and just getting your head down and doing something that will really help at least organise your thoughts and comfort you to know that you did do some work, because I know it's really easy to think, oh my gosh, I haven't done anything, and then actually you can realise, no, I did do an hour in the library, and that will really help.
Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I'm your new VP for Education and Democracy. Academic representatives are there for you. They're there to listen to any concerns which you might have with regards to staff or the university, and represent you at the highest levels. In order to make sure that your voice is always heard, we have a range of reps for you, from faculty officers to course representatives. We cover every single level, from undergrad, postgraduate tour and postgraduate research.